how to download Instagram profile picture. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Instagram application. Now, after that you simply need to head toward the profile whose picture you want to download. I'll simply tap on this first profile, tap and hold on the profile picture, and as you can see we don't have any option to download. So simply take a screenshot of it and now you can simply edit the screenshot. Click on crop to shape, then after select the profile picture area and click on the right at the top right corner. So that's it. That is how easily you can download Instagram profile picture. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.